Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install Google TV on a USB drive. So the first thing that you need to do is to download the Android TV ISO. As see from here, you can actually find it from a lot of websites. You can just open any one like this. And from here you will find a lot of links for Google TV or Android TV. So there's a lot of versions, you can just download which one you want. After that, for the next step, you need to search for Rufus. So this is the app that will actually make your USB a bootable drive so you can actually use it with Android TV or Google TV. As seen from here, you need to click on the link and download the latest version of Rufus. So after you download the Google TV ISO and Rufus app, you need to open Rufus and insert your USB drive to your laptop or PC. So from here, from the device section, you need to choose your USB stick, and from the select image section, you need to choose your Google TV. After that, you need to hit on start, and it will make your USB bootable with Google TV. Then now, you need to actually restart your laptop and enter the BIOS mode and boot from the USB drive. And that's it, now you can actually use the USB to boot Google TV. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.